Good morning, everyone. Our company is Brown Living shop only for sustainable. Our group member are Bholang Guruji, Sanskruti Thakur, K. Bhushan Lunawat, Dolly Verma, Abhishek Pariyar, and Akshay Mathur. So, Brown Living about the company. Our company, which focuses on the design that has been for the moment to make good design more accessible to people in the daily life. Our carefully produced product collection is simultaneously functional and well designed by the line, which offers everyday accessories as a portal of sales expression. The company hopes to inspire clients for possible everyday uses. We manufacture the wooden products and as well as for the portal for sustainable wooden products. So our mission is to make environmentally sustainable products easily accessible to the customer of today, to create awareness about conscious consumption and environmental positive products, and to be a growth platform for artists, artisans, and small businesses who make environmentally sustainable products, to plant and maintain 1,000,000 trees while we run the sustainable business. Our vision is we strongly believe in the philosophy that common goods from and self-interest. In today's world crisis, we all must change the way we consume to really make a positive impact on the society we live in. We aim to help our customers transition into a more earth-friendly lifestyle at home or outside the home. This is the process of waste minimization. Firstly, we collect the wood and give them grades, and then we use that waste wood as a raw material. Process on that, store that, and we make the product. Marketing product.
So now going to discuss about, as a marketing department, I am going to discuss about the embracing new social currency and save the planet. So first one, embracing new people who are making a shift in their lifestyle, moving to a new home or getting a new child in the family, and are looking for natural, organic and chemical free alternatives which can last longer as or are more efficient and can help them to save money. So social currency, people who have heard about conscious living and think it's cool to switch, these users usually also have to have the money to spend on high tickets items for social currency. Save the planet. People who are aware of the large problems of climate change and global warming and want to make small changes in their lifestyle, they understand zero waste practices, home composition, and switch to reusing.
As an HR department, we will focus on employees that they should receive the sustainability training to be inspired to apply sustainable practice to their job. This involved the instruction on waste minimization, energy saving, and environmentally friendly manufacturing method. To motivate the staff to support the sustainability effort, think about creating incentive programs like recognition scheme or the incentive. This might encourage sustainable culture inside the company. Encourage the staff member to think of the innovative ways to save money, promote environmental protection, and reduce the waste. Employee involvement and ownership may be increased as a consequence, which can lead to creative sustainability solutions.
As the manager of operations and supply chain management, we think about obtaining materials from environmental friendly sources such as manufacturing using reclaimed wood waste. This can lessen the production process negative effects on the environment and provide the product a distinguished marketing point. Use eco-friendly products techniques such as employing renewable energy sources, cutting back on plastics and producing less trash. This can lessen the production process, carbon impact, and establish the business as a thinking about putting in place closed loop system that enables material recycle such as employing scrap waste wood as the product raw material, using wooden box to deliver the product as well as using wood for packaging.
Okay, so the finance department of the company Brown Living focuses on calculating the financial effect of sustainability activities such as switching to sustainable woods products for conventional products by doing a cost benefit assessment, making the business case for sustainable practices and finding cost saving possibilities can both be aided by this. Create sustainability indicators that can be incorporated into financial reporting, such as estimating the company's operational carbon footprint or the financial savings brought on by sustainability initiatives. This may be position the business as a leader in sustainability and assist to show the long-term benefits of sustainable activities. Investigating funding alternatives for sustainability projects such as green bonds or loans with sustainability related terms. These choices can assist in funding sustainability activities and show investors and other stakeholders the company's dedication to sustainability.
Research and development. Figuring out how to make the production process use less energy or looking into a new sustainable material. This might help establish the business as a pioneer in environmentally friendly building materials. Work together with wood producers, academic institutions and other business to find out apply sustainable practices. This may aid to a quicker the pace of innovation and locating fresh chance to sustainable inside the sector. To comprehend environmental sustainability and pinpoint opportunity for improvement, conduct life cycle evaluation. This can assist the prioritizing sustainability measures and identifying the product's biggest environmental effects.
So talking about the people bottom line approach, it is a framework that the emphasizes the importance of the consider not only the financial performance but also focus on the social and environmental performance in the business decision making. The TBL approach suggests that a company's success should be evaluated based on the three bottom lines: profit, people and plant. First is profit. The capitalist economy is a company's success most heavily depend on its financial performance, and profit is generated for the shareholder. Strategic planning, initiative and key business decisions are generally carefully designed to maximize profit while reducing cost and risk. Our product sustainable practice will also drive better revenue, and based on sustainable business strategy, evidence and increases show that the firm with promising environmental, social and governance metrics tend to produce superior financial return, which in turn will also attract the investor. Second one is the people. It is important to make the distinction between the firm and shareholder stakeholder. Traditionally, businesses favor the shareholder value as an indicator of success, meaning they strive to generate value for those who own share of the company. Company and increasingly embrace this instability. They have shifted their focus towards creating value for all stakeholders impacted by the decision making, including customer, employee, and community members. And last one is the plan. Plan which translate into how business manage, monitor, and report their resource and energy consumption as well as waste and emission output. Extractive industry that deplete our planet natural resources beyond its planetary boundaries and heavily pollute the environment need to be held accountable for their unsustainable practice and to do better.
So talking about the waste minimization. So wood waste can be minimized by improving the efficiency of primary wood utilization and by using the raw wood materials, organizing from a sustainable forest management without further impacting the world's forest. and recycling. For example, make a wall decoration, build a mini cage mat, a compact box for your garden, reuse them. So now reuse them. This sounds too circular to many people, and actually it seems so. There is a beauty that comes with reusing something. We always get rid of scrap wood by reusing them in many outstanding creative ways. For instant example, scrap wood is reused to make a kitchen-sized cabinet. Through seeing the old scrap woods, they are not in the form used to them. Hence, they are mostly considered a great way of reusing goods.
So talking about sustainable consumption, sustainable consumption is the use of products and services in the ways that minimize impacts on the environment in order for human needs to be met in the present but also for the future generations. So the company Brown Living focuses on wood recycling, so which is an alternative to conventional waste disposable that can save wood and it can help to lower environmental damage. Also, wood waste can be potential source for the production of different materials, but the government should develop effective waste management rules too to maximize value of wood waste resources.
Next is circular economy. Wood is a natural material available in large quantity and it is easy to produce, making it the perfect material to consider for the circular economy. The key concept of the circular economy is to reduce the waste level and increase the recyclability of the products. Wood need to be grown naturally and it can be easily replanted to create its material, unlike other construction materials that are often produced through the extraction of the fossil fuels. As a product, it has the ability to be repaired, recycled or repurposed. If we want to embrace the circularity in construction, it's clear that we need to start reusing more, wasting less and rethinking how we design our buildings. Wood is a great option for those looking to embrace the materials made from the recycled product and materials that are fundamentally cyclical.
Thank you.